ముందుగా మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ మీద కూడా క్లిక్ చేసినట్టయితే మన ఛానల్ తరఫున ఏవైతే వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయో వీటన్నిటి తాలూకా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మీకు అప్డేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి.
AP EPSET last min tips to crack the exam. AP EPSET exam pattern. The entrance test consists a total of 160 questions comprising of 80 questions in mathematics, 40 questions in physics and 40 questions in chemistry. The exam is conducted for 3 hours. All the questions are objective type and candidates have to choose one out of 4 options. Each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative marking for wrong answers. However, the exam will be a computer-based test. Familiar with the online exam. The first and foremost point is getting familiar with the computer-based test. Students have to understand that there is a special approach for taking the online test. We suggest you learn how to switch between sections and understand the marking scheme. Many students missed the cutoff because of not submitting the review questions. Hence, never encourage any ambiguity and get familiar with the online mode. Attempt all the questions. Compared to G or NEET, this state-level entrance examination will not deduct any mark for wrong answers. We advise students to take advantage of this option and attempt all the questions. One has to answer 160 questions in 180 minutes, which means a minute will be given for reading, understanding, and answering a question. This can be a bit difficult, and most of the students may not complete the paper. So go for flukes only when you are left with no time. Important topics. Experts always suggest students focus only on the most important topics during the last week. Extremely important topics in mathematics are probability, permutations and combinations, circles, matrices, determinants, straight lines, properties of triangles, integral calculus, vector algebra, trigonometric equations, mathematical induction, partial fractions and random variables. While coming to chemistry, the periodic table takes the lion's share. If you are confident with the atomic structure and acid and bases, assume that more than 50% of marks are in your pocket. However, never ignore concepts such as chemical bonding, chemical kinetics, and thermodynamics. In physics, students should give more importance to the kinematics, dynamics, elasticity, gravitation, atomic physics, thermodynamics, and general physics. However, never ignore units and dimensions because direct questions are expected. Revision and mock. The last week should be kept for the revision, and one should not compromise on that. Always try to cover the most important topic first while revising. The subject-wise preparation is suggested, but never devote all day for one subject. Take at least 2 mock tests that make you familiar with the exam format besides boosting your confidence. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.